Based is a blockchain ticketing company, but really, Based at its core is focused on experiences, communities, and trust. What we want to do is reimagine the live event ticketing experience. We want to reimagine what it's like for artists and fans to connect. So I'm sure all of you here have heard some of these stories. Adele tickets are sold out in a minute. Bots are used to buy thousands of tickets per second. We're living in the age of high-tech scalpers. The secondary ticketing market generates about 10 billion in revenue per year. And they use these shady practices to sidestep systems that have been put in place to protect fans. What's more is, once these tickets hit the secondary ticketing market, fans have very little protection. Imagine you get to your favorite show and you're not able to get in because your ticket is fake. Can I help? No. So the problems I've been talking about previously are an obvious slap in the face. But what's really more important is how we see the ability for artists and fans to connect and interact. Base was built because we want artists to be in control of their tickets. We're going to use the blockchain, we're using the blockchain to make tickets secure, intelligent digital assets. Artists are able to put any imaginable condition on their tickets, and one obvious use case here are resale conditions. For example, can this ticket be resold? If so, for how much over face value, and what percentage of that value as an artist should I receive back? Ticketing is just the beginning for us. Tickets have been seen for too long as a means of entry only, but they have the potential to power a completely new ecosystem. With Based, artists are able to maintain a direct connection with fans, and I'm talking about more than a follow and more than a page like. By putting tickets on the blockchain, artists can incentivize fans and build strong communities and create organic brand ambassadors. So, if you're an artist and you're tired of losing revenue, or you're a fan and you're tired of getting ripped off, we've got some solutions for you. We're building kick-ass products that enable artists to drive value and fans to discover events, connect with communities, and of course buy tickets. I think it's important to say that we're not going to be doing business as usual. Our system really makes new revenue models possible. This is going to enable Base to scale, serve large audiences, and maintain value for both artists and fans. An example of this is our advanced business analytics. Opportunities here were just not present before. I'm a superfan, I attend all of your shows. Artists are now able to identify me and target me directly with content that I love. I've been talking about this experience-driven economy, and how is this possible? So everything on our platform will be facilitated with our internal Base Global Crypto Token, and we like to call it Bagel for short. Imagine you're an artist and you want to break into new markets. You can allow your fans to vote, put up some Bagel, and this way your fans are instantly engaged and you have a sold-out show. We've partnered up with Iconic Lab and we have some fantastic advisors on board so we can run a successful ICO. We've got some really aggressive milestones that will culminate with the launch of our platform and our public ICO sale. Now, I'd like to introduce you to our team. I'm Tristan, as you might know. I like to build brands that resonate with people and drive business value. Benjamin, our CTO, is a blockchain architect with over 10 years of experience in the tech industry. And Carlos, our CPO, is a marketing and brand genius who's used his experience in design thinking to consult some of the biggest brands in the world. I'd like to thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, I'm here.
why do you need a blockchain within the ecosystem?